All right, guys, we got Geoff here. Is going to do a 2016 football break. We got a couple boxes of Phoenix, couple boxes of Absolute. Good luck, buddy. I'll start off with the Phoenix. So the only other box I did of this, we had a Zeke patch auto. So hopefully it carries over into this break. Cards in this actually look pretty darn nice, though. Number to 99, Adrenaline Rush, Derrick Henry. Streaking Success insert, Peyton Manning. To 299, Adrenaline Rush, Thurman Thomas. All right, first hit is a jersey of Wendell Smallwood. That was numbered to 49. Braxton Miller, Rising Rookies. Oh, damn. Well, that's pretty filthy. Cardale Jones. Little Nike swoosh. Patch autograph. Gotta be low numbered, I would think. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty low numbered. How about 101? Nicely done, dude. Man, I'm hot with picking boxes today. Holy cow. Very nice. And then we got a Brett Favre, Streaking Success to 399. Devontae Freeman, Adrenaline Rush. Charles Woodson to 299. And it's Adrenaline Rush of Todd Gurley, 349. Base. And last pack. Autograph. Actually, don't see too much of this guy. Edgerrin James. Definitely underappreciated in the grand scheme of things. That one is numbered 1 of 20. Pretty darn solid box right there. Alright, Phoenix number 2. Check my ammo quick. Oh, no, it's alright, man. Don't worry about it. You are good. Nice hit on the Tiger. Damn, man. What a break. How about Carson Wentz? Carson Wentz helmet autograph numbered 4 of 5. We might have to do a little case break of this stuff. This is looking pretty strong. Wow. Adrenaline Rush, AP, Jeff Driscoll rookie. We might have to do a case break of this. Bo Jackson, Adrenaline Rush. Barry Sanders to 99. Another Cardale Jones piece, 4-color patch. That's numbered to 49. Keeb Talib, Watchman. Jersey autograph, Keenan Reynolds, rookie. It's numbered to 249. Riggo. John Riggins. Adrenaline Rush to 349. LT. Pro Bowl insert. The original LT. Aqib Talib to $3.99. Watchmen. And last pack, box 2 Phoenix is Adrenaline Rush of Thomas Rawls to $2.99. All right, another awesome box. Let's switch on over to the Absolute portion. Hopefully this is as good or better. All right, box 1. Archie Manning to $4.99. Wow, nice hit right there. Marks of Fame autograph to 36, Jerome Bettis. Very nice. Yeah, Collector's Hobby, if you see something you'd like, let me know and I'll place the order. Do not order off the main site. And Tools of the Trade, triple mem, Jarvis Landry. Got patch, glove piece, and ball, numbered to 99. Very solid start. The bus. Man, we're killing it early this morning. All right, Malik Collins autograph. Number 399. And Christian Hackenberg to 99 jumbo jersey. All right, and the last pack in box number 1, Absolutes. So we got a die cut. Adrian Peterson, red zone. Kind of a cool looking card. We've got a, I guess that's a t-shirt. Interesting. NFL Men's Lifestyle. T-shirt of Eric Decker. Wow. It's a trendsetter. And Redemption. Rookie Premier autographs of Kenneth Dixon. Focus. Kenneth Dixon. And a Peyton Manning to 25 parallel. That's not bad. I'll get some coin. All right, real solid box. Number 2. We are kind of on a heater today, aren't we? We are kind of on a heater. Send that to Sammy. Andrew Luck, Stephon Diggs, and we got a Jalen Ramsey. Rookie Roundup die cut. Nice piece there, Derrick Henry, number to 199. Dual patch and ball with ink. And J.J. Watt to 100. Marcus Allen, $4.99. And Warwick Dunn. Jersey glove piece, numbered to 99. Tools of the Trade. And Andrew Billings, rookie ink, to $3.99. All right, the last pack. Colby Listenby, rookie. We've got a jersey Groundhogs, Amir Abdullah. Is to 199 and finish with autograph of Danny Woodhead, number 32 of 39 to his jersey number. All right, all in all, pretty solid break, man. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. I'll get it packed up and out ASAP.